So I love colour, I use colour all the time in my work. It's predominantly the main focus in my work. And for a long time I have collected little snippets of predominantly vintage athletic wear is where I get my colour inspiration from. So I've collected these little swatches, and they're from the 60s, 70s, 80s usually, and I love the colour clash you get with them. So that's where I would start my colour investigation, if you like, and then I would go on to find those colours, start using them in swatches, do a bit of improv and create a block just to see how those colours mix together. Quite often these kind of colour studies will just stay as they are. I'll just leave them, put them in a box, and sometimes you can go back and just go through them so that you are prompted again and find a colour combination you like that you can then take into a quilt and play around with a bit more.